In this video now we're gonna have on some of the other features of zANTI, which is replacing images. So we saw how we can replace files. You can also replace images. You can select the image that you want to replace stuff with. So I'm just going to choose the Kali Linux image right here, and it's already enabled. So if I go back to my Yahoo search for images and search for something, all the images there will be replaced by what I selected. So let's search for cars, for example. So as you can see, all the images that are loading here are the same image that we picked for Kali Linux, which means that all the images are being replaced with what we want. Again, you can think of multiple ways to exploit this to yourself. We're not actually doing exploitation, as you noticed before. Even on replacing the downloaded files, we didn't do the full exploitation thing because I'm leaving that to the exploitation part of the course. So we're only learning how we can do this, how we can do man in the middle, how we can do all that stuff, and then in the future we'll see how we can combine these attacks to fully exploit a target machine. So I'm going to disable this now, and I'm going to show you the last feature of zANTI, which is inserting HTML code. Now this can be really useful to replace parts of pages that we want, or to do XSS attacks, which basically allow you to steal cookies. It's really simple. You just tap on the on, and then you put the HTML or XSS code, or basically HTML code that you want to execute in here. And then here on the target machine, if you just go anywhere, this code will be executed. So I'm just going to go to yahoo.com, and then you'll see an alert coming up, which is the code that we added. It should show an alert saying zANTI test. As you can see, Yahoo website doesn't say that, so the code was executed. Again, you can do this to do multiple XSS attacks, but I'm not actually going to go deep into that because it's really not very... It is useful in other situations, but if you are the man in the middle, you can do much more powerful attacks than this.